Live from wherever you are right now, it's the news!
Hi, I'm your anchor Stella, and what's going on in the rainforest is really bad. Our top story is that there's deforestation and floods in the rainforest. That's really bad. Deforestation is when there's too many trees getting cut down. And a flood, pretty sure you know what a flood is, but it's just too much water has been transported to one place, and it builds up and builds up and builds up until it just flows everywhere, and it's too big to drive through. So that's all I gotta say. Now let's go to James the Critic.
Hi, my name is James. The typical weather of the rainforest is mild and rainy. It is now out of whack because people are cutting down trees and animals are leaving and are dying. For example, the birds, beetles, jaguars, snakes, and frogs are losing their homes, and the carpet's flowers are no longer in bloom. What a disaster.
Hi, it's back with me, Stella, and back with our top story, the rainforest. So, now it's time to hear about the weather in the rainforest. So, time to go to Alyssa.
Hi, I'm Alyssa. It's rainy in the rainforest. There's too much rain and it's cold. In the rainforest, it's flooded. The rain will take about a week to soak up, hopefully, but this is how the flood happened. It rained, the rain flooded the river. The river couldn't hold all the water. So the river turned into a flood. Bye. Back to you, Stella.
It's me, Stella, again. Thank you, Alyssa. So, we got more breaking news. So, let's see what it looks like at the rainforest with Abigail, with the eye in the sky. Goodbye.
Hello, my name is Abigail. And well, is that what I think it is? Yes, all of the beautiful plants and animals in the tropical rainforest, like sloths, animals in the tropical rainforest, iguanas, like this guy, sloths, tree frogs, hummingbirds, beetles, chocolate toucans, golden toy grouse, and jaguar, harpy eagles, snakes, and monkeys. And beautiful plants like orchids, passion flower, palm trees, grass, corpus, flowers, and many other trees. Bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Back to you, Stella. Get these bugs on my windshield.
So now we're gonna go to Zapata, the reporter. So what's it look like on the scene? Is it good or is it bad? Goodbye. See you after Zapata.
The plants are growing, animals are in the trees and eating us. Hi, I'm Savannah, and the rainforest is back to normal. Oh, a beetle is eating some grass. Okay, a bird just ate the beetle. Oh, an anaconda just ate the bird. Now you know that the rainforest is back to normal. Back to normal. Thank you for watching the news. Back to you, Stella.
Okay, let's hope the rainforest gets more trees and people to stop cutting it down. Because that's deforestation. That's not good. And let's hope it stops raining for a bit so the flood will go away. And it's real hot rainforest. Well, let's just hope it gets better. Bye.
You guys.
Breaking news. Goodbye.